Welcome back. We'll take a quick look at Monero coming in at number 30. Monero against BTC. Okay, we're going to assume that Monero has completed a symmetrical triangle. We have already blasted off and we are expecting Monero to slowly crawl its way up to 0.015. However, there is strong resistance here and here, so I think it's gonna take some time before we reach it, but you can see that the skinny pink line is curving back up. However, Monero has a knack of slowly crawling its way up and then collapsing as well, right? So this could happen as well, right? Yeah, in terms of tradability, this is not a high quality tradable chart pattern. It's actually me forcing a target out of the consolidation over here. I just don't think it is mature yet, mature enough, but there is that possibility that Monero could just keep rising higher, right? The last time we had a very high quality chart pattern was here. Look at the mountain range. Mountain 1, Mountain 2, Mountain 3, Mountain 4, Mountain 5. Eventually we collapsed, right? And when we broke the support, there was another mountain range over here. Clear support lines. We broke it. Again, if you zoom into the small time frames, you will see something here as well. You'll see something here as well. Again, you'll see something here. But then eventually we rose higher and we came back down. And then, yeah, this is something like a left shoulder, hit, right shoulder. Boom! But anyway, for Monero against BTC, at this point of time, we remain biased bullish for Monero against BTC. I don't see any bearish continuation chart pattern. I mean, of course, if we start forming mountain ranges, if we fall all the way down towards support, then potentially we could head lower. But I don't think so, not at this point of time. More likely than not, we should be heading higher. I hope to see some valleys, right? Some series of valleys. And after that pump, we could take a trade for Monero together. But yeah, not at this point of time. Monero against USDT is very random. It's very random. But lucky for us, we have the skinny pink line, right? The skinny pink line will serve as a trend indicator. We are still under the skinny pink line, right? Ever since breaking it for real, for good, way back in November 2021, we have been largely under it, right? We made several attempts to break back above it, but we always got slapped down, and then yeah, here we are. It's untradable. No clear signs of a tradable chart pattern, right? You could argue that this is a mountain range, a descending triangle of sorts, right? Mountains, 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 mountains. We're down, so potentially more downside to come. Not too sure. We could still see a rally come on for Monero against USDT, but crypto as a whole is sensitive towards BTC. If BTC collapses, it's going to pull everyone down together with it, and that includes Monero. It's just things are very random for Monero against USDT at this point of time. We could pull this down and get something like a falling channel, falling wedge. You know, we could crawl our way up and down and, you know, do nothing until 2023, and then suddenly by the year 2024, by Bitcoin's second halving, yeah, then not second halving, next halving at 2024, then Monero could see a super spike out of the falling wedge, right? So yeah, until that happens, we will remain hopeful, yeah, but we're not going to be rushing into anything, right, until we see something of higher quality. All right, I guess that's it for my Monero technical analysis. We shall take a look at Algo Run tomorrow. Yes, 30 already. Algo Run is a rare coin. It's a very rare coin. It's one of the very few coins that has bullish potential. Most of the coins that we've gone through is bearish, but Algo Run, we'll talk more about it tomorrow. All right, see you in the next one. Bye-bye.